Introducing CargoGlide's truck wall slide. The truck wall slide dramatically changes the bed of a truck forever. Safety on a job site is priority. Never climbing in and out of a truck bed helps eliminate awkward bodily positions that can instantly and over time cause injury to the back and hips. The possibility of a worker to slip and fall is decreased substantially now that the worker can stand upright, having his tools and materials slide out to him at chest height within arm's reach. No more bending over, climbing on knees, twisting around the tailgate. This increase in efficiency will dramatically decrease the amount of last-minute trips to the hardware store. Workers can unload and clean up faster than ever before. With this level of efficiency, productivity can soar. With a safe and healthy worker utilizing an efficient workspace, more work can be accomplished in a day, helping to increase your bottom line. The truck wall slide system is a steel framework mounted inside the truck bed with aluminum sliding walls. From motorized walls to lighting, truck wall slide is fully customizable with several options and designed to attach most brands of shelving, bins, and containers onto the sliding walls. Each wall has a weight capacity of 500 pounds. The walls can be manually operated or electronically motorized. Weather canopy options are available to keep your tools and materials safe from rain and snow. Additionally, the option of a ceiling slide rail is available. A foldable ladder rack can be mounted to the ceiling slide rail, as well as bins and other containers. Lighting is also available on the ends of the wall, as well as under the canopies. Truck wall slide is also compatible with CargoGlide's pull-out floor slides that extend 100% out of the back of your truck. Safe, efficient, productive. These three words are the cornerstone of truck wall slide and are bound to make an impact on today's work truck.